My name is Fiona and welcome back to my channel. I'm a travel vlogger with nowhere to travel to because of the lockdown in the UK at the moment. So I'm taking you on a trip around the world, trying different foods in places I have made vlogs already. So this time we're going to Japan and we're going to make Katsu Curry. Of history about Katsu Curry itself. However, I did pick up a few things in Japan when I was there last April. It's the most beautiful time to go because it's cherry blossom everywhere. The Japanese are so polite and their food is a massive part of their culture. So obviously things like sushi, there's ramen, there's different noodles and things, and their customs are different from ours. So for example, slurping is good manners in Japan because it means you're kind of enjoying your food and you're slurping it down. And it's also very, very polite to finish your meal. So ramen comes in huge big bowls and it's custom to finish your entire meal, which when you're a tourist and your eyes are bigger than your belly, it is hard to do. However, there are some fantastic foods that come from Japan, and Katsu Curry is one of them. The food chain Wagamamas say it is one of their most popular dishes, so that's why I thought I would make it, because it seems like a popular choice. And plus, who doesn't love chicken nuggets and curry sauce? So to kick off this recipe, there's quite a few ingredients. You'll need a chicken or a meat product, maybe tofu or something if you're going to make it vegan or vegetarian. You need a wee bit of honey, you need some curry powder, I've gone for tikka, some black pepper and salt for seasoning, turmeric, you need some coconut milk. However, the Wagamama's recipe said 500 mils of chicken stock. The BBC Good Food said coconut milk, and I love coconut milk, so I've gone for that. You need a couple of carrots, a couple of onions, a thumb size of ginger, 2 cloves of garlic. You'll need some rice for serving, a wee bit of oil, and you're also going to need some sort of blender to blend up all the sauce. So whether you've got a NutriBullet or a hand blender or even just a masher, it might just be a little bit more lumpy. So first things first, we're going to make the sauce. We're going to cut up all the vegetables. So when I went traveling last year, Japan was the first stop on my adventure. So I landed in Tokyo and it was absolutely chucking it down. Man, we'll have to cut off and cut up on that. So as I was saying, Japan was my first stop. And I got to Tokyo. I thought I was going to be in a hotel room, but I joined a tour. And when I got there, I was in this quite scary looking hostel, and the man said to me, "Oh, we don't have a key for your room because it's with one of the other 6 people." And my heart sank because I'd never been in a hostel before. So obviously my thoughts were, you hear the horror stories of people in hostels. And the most lovely thing is I met the most wonderful people when I got back. The girls in our room, the whole people on my Intrepid tour for Japan were so lovely. So they made my time in Japan and my first couple of weeks in a scary new country, doing something way out of my comfort zone, so good. After Tokyo, we went to Kanazawa, which was full of cherry blossom and a beautiful little castle. And I actually spent my 29th birthday there. They were also famous for their gold. So you could get gold-plated ice cream, you could get gold-plated green tea. As it was my birthday, we had lots of gold-plated ice cream. Because I'm blitzing it up, I'm just firing it in chunky style, not diced to perfection, just trying to get them in the pan. So I've set the onions on to cook and to start browning, and I'm going to cut up the ginger. So you need about a thumb size of ginger. It's probably a wee bit bigger than a thumb, but no matter. 2 cloves of garlic, and then what we're going to do is start firing stuff in the pan and cooking up the sauce. Now that the spices are warmed through and everything's cooking quite lovely, I'm going to add in the coconut milk. Woo! There we go. While that is cooking behind me, I am going to make the katsu. I've got my chicken fillets, I have a whisked egg, and I also have some breadcrumbs, the classic Dip, dip, ready. Dip, dip, ready. Cook your chicken for 4 to 5 minutes on each side or until cooked through. The next step is to get this into here and blend it up. While you're waiting for your chicken to cook, pop a wee bag of rice into the microwave for 2 minutes and serve it up in your bowl.